Procrastination is a common challenge that many college students face, but there are strategies that can help overcome this habit and increase productivity. Firstly, setting clear and achievable goals can help provide direction and focus. Breaking tasks into smaller, manageable steps can also make them feel less daunting and more achievable. Secondly, creating a schedule and sticking to a routine can help establish structure and accountability. This may include dedicating specific times of the day for studying and completing assignments, as well as scheduling breaks to avoid burnout. Thirdly, minimizing distractions, such as turning off notifications on your phone or finding a quiet study space, can help improve focus and increase productivity. Additionally, seeking accountability from a friend or classmate can also help keep you on track. Finally, recognizing and addressing any underlying cause of procrastination, such as stress, lack of motivation, or fear of failure, can help to reduce this habit in the long term. By using these strategies, college students can effectively overcome procrastination and achieve their academic and personal goals.